Airplanes right outside. We're in the hotel closest to the airport. We step on back. We see a nice couch right here, a very good size. Our coffee corner is here. It is a Nespresso machine. Pods right there. Mini fridge right here. And we step on back to see the rest of the room. Our big bed is here. A nice little cove for you. Got a padded backboard, headboard, 2 side tables, and we have lights over there. Cool design with the wood as well, insert. And then we turn to see our good sized TV, nice desk with another light. How about a place to sit as you put your shoes on with some wall art? We continue to turn to see our closet right here. It goes back pretty deep and it is pretty tall as well. Ironing board, iron of course. And let's go see the rest of the room. A nice entryway, good size. And then we have a pretty nice bathroom, nice and bright, plenty of counter space. We have the products from this brand, nice mirror, and we have towels, also our hair dryer over there. The toilet is in this corner. And then we shall see our shower head. Let's check out the front door to see if there's a maximum room rate, and there's not much information at all. This is the smallest one I've seen. So this is the room closest to the Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport.